Tired of chasing down signatures and drowning in paperwork? I'm going to show you how to generate and share a DocuSign link directly from your iPhone, making signature collection a breeze. First, locate and tap on the DocuSign app icon on your home screen to open it. Once the app opens, you'll see your documents. Choose the document you need signed by tapping on it. With the document open, look for the More icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Tap on this icon. A menu will appear with several options. Scroll through the options until you find Create a Link and tap on it. DocuSign will now generate a unique link for your document. You'll see options to copy the link to your clipboard or share it directly through various apps like Messages, email, or other platforms you use. Select your preferred method of sharing. For example, if you choose Messages, the link will automatically be pasted into a new text message, ready to send. Simply add the recipient's contact information and tap the Send button. They can now easily access and sign the document through the link you sent. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a DocuSign link from your iPhone. This is the easiest way to get legally binding signatures on the go.